We're going to talk a little bit about log rolling into and out of bed. Getting out of bed, first bend both knees, putting your feet flat, keeping some strength in your stomach. Roll to one side, shoulders, hips, knees, ankles all at the same time into the fetal position. Then as your legs come down off the table, use the strength of your hands to push straight up. And same thing getting into bed. Use the leverage of your upper body coming down towards the side to let your legs come up, rolling from the fetal position, shoulders, hips, knees, all at the same time onto the back. And that's log roll.